Thinking about a Viking River Cruise in Europe? You've seen the ads, you've heard the name. But what is Viking River Cruise really like? In this video, I'm revealing what Viking River Cruise is not, and the truth may surprise you, what's included and downsides. Viking doesn't try to be everything to everyone, and that's a good thing. This is the cruise line for curious travelers who crave peace, enrichment, and elegance. Hi friends, I'm Oksana. Welcome to a journey beyond glossy brochures. If you love travel tips, river cruise reviews, and insights, subscribe to my channel. Today we uncover what makes Viking River Cruise unique, and stay with me until the end because I'll be sharing my personal review from when I actually stayed on a Viking River Cruise. Many cruise lines offer flashy gimmicks, climbing walls, Broadway shows, casinos. Viking River voyages choose a different path. Quiet enjoyment, thoughtful exploration, and intentional immersion. Let's slide in, and to start, let's hear what you will not find on Viking River Cruise and how it creates a calm, enriching trip. It is not a floating theme park full of distractions. Mega ships pack in non-stop action like water slides and surf simulators. Viking River Voyage is not. You won't find climbing walls or roller coasters. On Viking River Cruise, the destination itself is the entertainment and the ever-changing views of riverbanks and charming towns. The ship is elegant home base, helping you appreciate the journey, not distracting from it. This means more energy for exploring ashore. It is not a kid zone. Viking River Cruises are strictly adults only, no one under 18. This isn't a family cruise line. While Royal Caribbean is building water slides and Disney is creating character meet and greets, when Viking said, "Nope, we're going adult only." It means no screaming kids at breakfast and no parents chasing toddlers around the deck. This is either your dream scenario or your nightmare. If you're grandparents wanting to take the grandkids, this is not your cruise. But if you want to actually relax with your morning coffee without hearing Baby Shark for the 47th time, this is it. It is not casino-focused environment. While other cruise lines are practically floating Vegas experiences, Viking ships don't have a single slot machine or poker table. No late-night gambling, no casino atmosphere, no flashing lights and ringing bells at 2 a.m. It is not going to constantly upsell you or nickel and dime you. A common cruise complaint is the constant upselling. Viking tackles this with more including pricing. Wi-Fi is included, beer, wine, and soft drinks are complimentary with lunch and dinner. Usually one short excursion per port is included. It is not loud and intrusive with non-stop announcements. Imagine enjoying scenic views only to be startled by loud announcement for bingo. Viking is famous for its no announcement policy in public areas. Essential operation announcements are minimal and discreet. The soundtrack is the gentle sound of water, conversation, or nature, allowing you for deeper relaxation and uninterrupted connection with the whole world outside. It is not known for crowded decks and long lines. Viking longships carry fewer guests, around 190 passengers. The intimate scale means no long lines for boarding or meals and no desperate searches for an empty table or sun lounger. Public areas feel spacious. Getting on and off in port is quick, giving you more time to explore and ensuring a more personal experience. It is not about stuffy formal nights. If packing tuxedo makes you groan, you'll be happy. Viking River Cruises have a country club casual or elegant casual dress code. No mandatory formal nights. While guests may dress smartly for dinner, the atmosphere is relaxed. The focus is on enjoying the journey, not rigid dress rules. No butler or white glove service. It is not a floating mall with pushy sales tactics. Many cruise lines rely on onboard shop selling, everything from logo gear to high-end jewelry. Viking ships have a small, tasteful shop for essential and souvenirs, but no huge shopping arcades or aggressive sales. There are no art auctions or photographers constantly selling you pictures. This lack of commercial pressure maintains a relaxed, refined atmosphere. It does not have any inside staterooms. Every stateroom on a Viking River longship has a river view, no windowless inside cabins. This design choice ensures every guest enjoys the ever-changing scenery. Whether a French balcony, full veranda, or suite, you're guaranteed natural light and connection to the outside, making you feel more immersed in the journey. It is not an experience where you feel lost in a translation on board. Viking River Cruises conduct onboard operations and excursions primarily in English. While the crew is often multilingual, English is the main language for any announcement, lectures, and daily interactions. This creates a comfortable environment for English-speaking travelers, allowing everyone to fully participate in activities and connect easily. It is not focused on fruity umbrella drinks. While you can enjoy classic cocktails, the bar scene isn't about the endless parade of sugary, brightly colored drinks. The focus is on quality. Bartenders are skilled, offering classic choices and regional specialties. The vibe is relaxed elegance, about enjoying a well-made drink in a beautiful setting, not a wild poolside party. It is not a rushed whistle-stop tour. River cruising allows you for a deeper destination involvement. Viking itineraries balance iconic sites with a privileged access experience. Smaller ships dock in the heart of the towns, meaning more time exploring and less on the bus. Included excursions offer good introductions with optional excursions for specific interests. On-board lectures enhance your understanding of the places visited. So, who is a Viking River Cruise for? Viking calls them the thinking traveler. This isn't about age or income, but a mindset. Viking clicks with the people curious about cultures, with a passion for learning. They travel to understand, not just see. They value real immersive experiences, wanting to connect with local culture, taste regional food, and understand history. These travelers appreciate quality and understated elegance, not a flashy displays. The Scandinavian design of Viking longships with clean lines and natural light resonates with this taste. They value their time, preferring enriching, hassle-free experiences. Viking's inclusions offer peace of mind, letting them focus on the experience. The Viking traveler values connection with history, culture, and like-minded fellow travelers. It is for those who see travel as a way to enrich their lives, not just to escape. Stepping onto Viking longship is an experience. These are beautifully designed floating hotels, crafted to enhance your journey. You'll notice light and space with extensive use of glass for panoramic river views. The design is clean, modern, and uncluttered with natural materials, creating a warm feel. The key spots include the lounge and the bar, the social hub with panoramic windows and comfy seats. The Aquavit Terrace offers innovative indoor and outdoor dining, connecting you to the riverside. The restaurant is elegant with picture windows and open seating, focusing on high-quality, regionally inspired food. The library offers a thoughtful collection of books about your destination. The sun deck provides 360-degree views, a walking track, and seating. Staterooms are smartly designed, all with river views ranging from standard French balconies to verandas and explorer suites. Expect comfy beds, heated bathroom floors, and anti-fog mirrors, and ample storage. The overall feeling is a calm, comfortable hideaway. The crew provides professional, warm, and attentive service. Its thoughtful design and service makes the ship a treasured part of the journey. One surprising thing about Viking is how much is included. It's not just a way to save money. It also makes the trip smoother and more enjoyable. Here's the value packed into a Viking fare. 1 complimentary shore excursion in every port, free Wi-Fi, beer, wine, and soft drinks with lunch and dinner, 24-hour specialty coffees, teas, and bottled water, all port taxes and fees, ground transfers with Viking air purchase, visits to UNESCO World Heritage Sites, enrichment lectures and destination performances, river view staterooms, luxury linens and pillows, private bathroom with heated floor and premium toiletries, individual climate control. This inclusive approach allows for better budgeting and more carefree vacation, focusing on enjoyment and discovery. There are always 2 sides to every story, so let's talk about a few downsides of river cruising. First, it's not the most affordable option. Viking is a premium experience. You're paying for everything that's included and the intimate feel of a smaller ship. If you're after a budget cruise, this probably isn't the right fit. Second, if you love the energy of the big cruise ships, the shows, the nightlife, the party atmosphere, you'll be bored. The entertainment is cultural performances and lectures, not Broadway-style shows or comedy acts. Third, river cruising has limitations that ocean cruising doesn't. Low water levels can require ship changes and you're dependent on river conditions. Viking has a large fleet and handles this well, but sometimes you'll end up on a bus instead of cruising. They'll make it convenient, but it can still be a bummer. My personal take, Viking does what it aims to do exceptionally well. The biggest wow moments for me were the incredible sense of calm on board and the genuine focus on the destination. It's a different kind of cruising, a more thoughtful and immersive kind. If that sounds like your ideal way to travel, then I would say it's an experience worth considering, even with the highest cost. You're paying for the carefully crafted, adult-focused, enrichment-led journey. Don't book Viking if you want to party. Don't book it if you have kids. Don't book it if you want to gamble. Don't book it if you want a massive variety of dining or entertainment options. And definitely don't book it if you're looking for that floating city experience with thousands of passengers. Hopefully this review has given you clarity what you need to make a smart decision. The goal was to arm you with information, not to push you one way or the other, because the perfect vacation is really a personal thing. But here's what I love to know. Have any of you taken a Viking River cruise? Drop a comment below and tell me if this matches your experience. And if you're considering booking one, what questions do you still have? I respond to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I post new content every week about cruise lines, travel tips, and destination guides that could save money and help you travel smarter. Thanks for watching and travel the signature way. God bless you and see you in next video.